Hello everyone. So let's start the class. I am your Horan sir. Okay. So today what we will do? First you will write your name here nicely. Okay. You will write your name. Whatever your name is. Suppose Christy or Devangi or Lavis. Whatever is your name, you are going to write your name here. Then we will color it. Okay, children. So let's start. Suppose my name. I am going to write here my name. Okay. You are going to write your name. So here I am going to write my name. So Horan sir, I'm going to write here age like this, age, without scale. Okay children, A, without scale you have to do R, without scale RE, and Horan, say Horan sir. I am going to write here sir. Okay, so here I am going to write you will write your name. Okay, so like this you are going to write your name. Whatever is your name, you are going to write like this. Okay, and we are going to start coloring. Okay children, so let's start the coloring. So first, what color we are going to do? Any color you can do. Okay, whatever color you like you can start. Suppose here I am going to use this crimson red. Okay, this dark pink I am going to use here. Step by step, see everyone, step by step, slowly from one side. Like this, step by step, from one side. From one side, slowly we will do. Okay, see, from one side, slowly. Every day I am saying, always I am saying that you should start the coloring from one side, slowly. See, slowly, step by step. Everyone see. See this color. Okay, now we will apply here. Step by step, slowly from one side. Again and again I am saying, see, and color should not go out of the border. Okay, color line से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, एकदम slowly करना होगा. ठीक है children? Next what color? Orange color. Okay, so here we will use orange color from one side. From one side, slowly. Everyone see, from one side, slowly. Slowly, and do not leave white. Okay, do not leave white. Like this, from one side. Okay. Like this. See everyone? We will make a song. Okay, slowly, step by step. Okay, like this we can make a song. Slowly, step by step. So like this we have to use the color. Here we can use the green color. Okay, different color we are going to use here. Different colors. Slowly see everyone. So now I will complete this color. Okay, you can carry on. Okay, ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को करना होगा, ठीक है? Let me finish this one. So see everyone, I have finished the coloring. Like this you are going to use different color. Okay, you are going to use crimson red, orange, light green, light blue, yellow, whatever color you like you can use. Okay, pink color also you can use, but you no need to write this sir. Okay, you write only your name, whatever is your name you are going to write here. Okay, suppose Jigas, Doreen, Khyati, you just write your name like this and use different color, but slowly step by step. Okay children, slowly एकदम slowly and color line से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. ये लाइन पेंसिल लाइन से कलर बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, ठीक है children? Color should not go out of the border. एकदम slowly from one side step by step, from one side step by step. Everyone say step by step from one side you are going to do. Okay, and line से color बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए and there should not be white space. Okay, done children? Okay, so next class I will say this one. You will make in a A4 size paper. Okay, and you will show me. Write your name properly children. Okay, neat and clean. It should be neat and clean. Okay children, so bye bye everyone. Bye bye.